Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss the new updates on Satsman. So before we continue, I got an email from Satsman saying we have made decisions to temporarily pause new registration in your country. So which means new users from Nigeria are not allowed to register. But old users, you can still, you can continue, no changes, nothing, you can earn as usual. But if you are to recruit anybody, make sure you don't recruit Nigerians because they will not be allowed to register. So another thing is, go to my army, scroll down, this SBI clearance, click on it. If you have not started, join, study it and answer the questions. Agent Orange is the first one, which you'll be given 100 sat per session that you completed. So if you're a pro user, you'll be given, after completing this one, you can also complete this one, which you'll be given 300 sat per any session you completed. If you're a pro mass user, when you complete this sovereign agent, you will receive 500 sats per every session that you completed. So all you need to do is to read it very carefully. After reading, you'll be given questions to answer. If you answer them correctly, you'll be rewarded. So these are I've already cleared them. Orange, field operative, I've cleared these ones. The only one I did not clear is the last one, which requires a pro mass user, and I'm not a pro mass user, I'm only a pro user. So go to your my army, click on the SBI and complete this task and receive your reward. Just study and earn. That's it. Study about Bitcoin and you will earn. So now let's complete today's mission. Start recovering and 6 sats. Fact of the day. The next one is orange peel. How do you feel about taproot? So you click on complete. The next one is my sassifa, which you are going to guess 5 words. If you guess them correctly, you will get rewarded. Finally got it. So after completing your task, go to your home page, scroll down and enter the price pool. We all know how to withdraw. You can check my previous video. I'm waiting for this 6,000 to move to my available balance before I can withdraw. So in my next video on Satsman, I'll be showing you guys on how to withdraw again from Satsman. If you have watched up to this hour, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video.